One second, guys, sorry. Alright, hey, what's up, guys? Everyone, it is me, Freshens again. And well, since our last Skyrim video, I have evolved a lot. I do have some Embony weapons now, bow, armor, axe, sword. Well, I give my sword to my apprentice. I do have an apprentice now. And I got myself in a situation where there's two dragons. Yeah, you motherfuckers. I have a frost dragon and I got a dragon with a name, which I do not know how to pronounce. I don't know how to pronounce any of these. I can't eat a wine. It says I can't eat wine bottles. Oh no, guys. What will I ever do? Yeah. Wait, the dragons are having a little battle here. Yo, no, see, there's Frost Dragon, there's the dragon with the name. No, this is the dragon with the name. This is the fire one. He seems surprisingly weaker. I have a 35 damage weapon. Yeah. Oh, and he deed. D-E-A-D, deed. Ow, come on. I want to... Oh no, she left my party. Yeah, I thought I told her I was gonna do a video. Oh, come on, man. Just dragons in the air, just... What is his educational level? He's giving me a delivery in the middle of dragons, guys. Dragons. Okay, I gotta search this guy. Warren arrows, dragon bones, dragon scales, 205 coins, and I do not want it because I am low on potions. Oh my god. I could kill you if I wanted to, but okay, move, people. I'm supposed to go do something over here. My apprentice is strong. I have taught him well. Let's go see this asshole. What? I have no idea. I'm gonna do this quest. Supposedly, I was in a drinking contest to win a staff. Wow, no. You better remember her right fast before I call the guards and have you hauled away. And I have no idea what happened. You're damn right it does. I'll never breed another prize-winning goat like Gleda. And don't you think of coming back to Rorikstead until you get her back from that giant. Fine, but I'll still be missing my Gleda. Doubt I'll ever have a prize-winning goat again. Most of what you said was gibberish, but you left a note. The only bit I could read was, after repaying Isolde in Whiterun. Talk to Arizona about the staff. See, this is my apprentice here. He has with the Embony sword, he has that for his magic. Orcish armor, white guard helmet, those there and those there, they're all winter. Then he has good arrows. I treat him well, guys. I pay him too. I pay him like $100. My gift to him. You know, I don't have to do that. Okay, let's see here. You know, I'm just being nice here, guys. I'm letting you see my small little quest. Here. I gotta go to Skyrim and talk to this asshole. I want my staff back. So supposedly brought a giant through in a town. I guess that's bad. No, a big fucking huge person with a big ass club. Nah, that's good. That's good. No trouble. No trouble at all. Those things are. I'd much rather fight a dragon than one of those things and shit. No, dragons, man. Oh, so I'm sorry, guys, but I would have posted a few other videos of me fighting some dragons. See, titled today, I fought 2 blood dragons, a frost dragon, another frost dragons of 2 different calibers, and that named dragon just those 2 there's now. What? Oh. Oh shit. Forget my character's a woman. Oh shit. Damn it! Obviously my character can't handle hundreds of arrows in my back. If I wanted to, it would kill all the guards. Already killed all the guards in Solitude. No joke, seriously, killed the captain and everything. If anyone wanted to co-invade it, you would do it. I had no trouble. Killed a few civilians who want to try to stab me with a dagger. Oh, also guys, big news. I will have a Xbox One tomorrow with the Halo Edition pack. I have no idea when I will have, because the edition is actually downloadable. I have no idea if anyone knows that or not. I learned it because my dad has it and all that. So yeah, I just finally have the money to do it. So you guys will see some Xbox One gameplay. Cancel a charge by cancel a charge spell by shielding or lowering your hand. That would have been helpful a long time ago. Okay, let's go talk to this person again. Here. Let's call this thing my flame something or other. So I have something else protecting me from arrows in my back. Then I'll go to my house, get whatever gear I need. Damn it! Spirit guards are right there. That's funny. Oh, yeah, it looks like I don't have a choice. I'm gonna have to fight. Or I'm like, ancestors. Seriously, those people arrived in Winterhold for no apparent reason. That they were attacking, and I killed them. And now I have this bounty. Maybe if I, let me see what they want. I get like 50 grand on here. I've been seeing. I know places to look for money. I'll show you guys in a moment a good place to get some money when I'm doing the quest line. Here. Chickens go round and round, round and round. Chickens go round and round. Okay, come on, put your weapon away, man.
What do you need?
Wait, did he shield his sword in the shield? Oh, no. I'm like, dude, that is awesome. I want to do that. Every fire, look a fucking joke, bitches. Get at my level. It was actually pretty hard for me to find. I don't know about anyone else. Guards, take me away. Take me away. Hey, wait, hey, I put my weapon away. No! What did I do that you hate me so much? I live here. I live here. Yo, dumbasses, I need to get my house. Oh my god. This place is more protected than Winterhold. What? That is messed up. Good, I don't want to impress you. Yeah. Do I have any good food? No, do not have any good food. How do I get on your good side? Run! Run! Bitch, run! I'm sorry people, but I'm gonna have to steal some of your food. No food. Thank you!
Smart woman. Now, come along with us. We'll take it easy.
No! So I had to pay 2222. That's a lot of money. To me, that's a lot of money. 1,000's not a lot, but if you go 1 gold over 1,000, that's a lot. Are they gonna seriously still kill me? Please don't kill me. Why are you still after me? What did I do to piss you off? What did I do to piss you all off? What? Why did I do this? What did I do? I'm gonna steal your cheese. Bastard, you heard me. I stole your cheese. You fucking tomatoes. I stole your fucking tomatoes. What you gonna do about it? Now I'm eating your tomatoes. If you want them back, you're gonna have to wait till I shit them out. Like a bowl, dude. You gotta... Best way to do it is target 2 and loyalty stone 2. Unless it's like more gets in the way. What did I do to piss you all off? There's like a graveyard, seriously. No! Oh! Oh, now I know why I died so easily. They stole my armor. I'm dead. They stole my M-Bony armor. My chest plate, guys. I'm seriously fighting with a helmet. arm guards and fucking leg guards. I have my whole fucking body open. Back and front, man. Okay, I'm basically fighting naked. Yes, I got it back. Oh, fuck this quest. I don't see how I'm gonna finish this. Fuck, what's me here? Oh. I'm not gonna defeat all. No. Randy Jr. Okay, I can do that. I'm gonna just do some quests till my Skyrim freezes. She does that. Every time I play Skyrim, it freezes like at least once or twice. Ow. Fucking Mountain Dew here. Like Baja Blast bastards. I get Taco Bell to send me this. Where's the fucking Taco Bell? See, told you Taco Bell sent it to me. I'll just fucking jail it. I could actually get a case of that. Alright, give me this. Yes, person. Alright, let's go to these gears here. What? Where am I not in trouble?
I can take all your problems, but it will cost you.
Yeah, fucking take my money. Take the money. Let's see how much money I have here. I have 19,861. No, I'll get more. No problem. Oh, it's gonna want me to hit the back way. I finally, figured out how to do the glitch in the Thieves Guild. Yeah, it works pretty good, but it gets you in trouble if you don't do it right. Come on, my partner. Don't get your head cut off. That would hurt. It would hurt. No person. I'm sure I'm not sure if I'm still Okay, I gotta go see this person and give him my weird emerald. A weird fucking crystal, fucking some kind of crystal in the box floating. I don't know. Something pretty shiny. There's 3 of them. Okay, 3. Not 1, not 2, but 3.
Are you crazy? Who are you thinking?
Well, you're just Brynjolf's little protege. I'm gonna make this short and sweet, because frankly, I don't think you deserve another shot.
Fuck you too.
You've broken the rules, and now you need to pay. And it's gonna cost you quite a bit.
I haven't broken any rules.
This is the Thieves Guild, genius. How do you think? With gold. A lot of gold. Did you think we'd accept a heartfelt apology and let bygones be bygones?
Yes.
I think it's time you put your nose to the grindstone and figure it out for yourself. You claim to be a thief. Act like one. Pickpockets? Knock over houses? Heck, I don't care if you have to bust into a cliff. You do what you have to do to come up with the coin. You'd better. Because until you do, you don't get a single coin from us. And you won't be able to use our fences. Anything you steal, you bring it straight to me. And get out of here. And don't come back until your pockets are full.
My pockets are full.
And here I expected you to hop the next caravan to Morrowind. What have you got for me? Oh, here. Well, congratulations. You're one of us again. Next time you decide to pull a stunt like that, just remember how much it hurt to give this away. Ready for some work, or are you just gonna wander around all day? Been a while since I've seen one of those. What you've got there is the Stone of Baron Zaya. Not like that, it isn't. The stone was pried off of Baron Zaya's ceremonial crown by a thief in order to cover his tracks. I think there were 24 in all. Most people keep them as a curiosity. Some of the guild members have tried to locate them over the years, but they haven't been successful. Well, until now. Look, I only buy things I can turn around quickly for a profit. And no one wants these stones unless they have the whole set. Tell you what, if you find the rest of them, talk to me again. Otherwise, keep it. Maybe it'll bring you luck.
Fuck you too. Okay.
Don't give up now.
Let me see here. Okay, let's look here. Dana, Dana. Can you explode that thing? Alright, cool. Good. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm supposed to get these. I found most of these.
Plenty of loot out there, just right for the taking. I have work if you pack a backbone.
Okay. Yeah, I got a backbone, but that doesn't mean I got a backbone from you.
Welcome to the cozy little family. I'm one of the lookouts for the guild. I watch Delvin's back.
Hi, one-eyed maniac. How are you do? Yes, there's still a plate there. It works when you don't shield and you just don't. See, when you drop that, it doesn't work. Gotta have it like that. Ah, see? Skip. No. It works better if you're the lizard person, because then you can swim. Go from chest, let's see. I got an infinity shield. Yes, I want. Yes. Of course I want arrows. I want all the arrows you can give me. Yeah, no way. I'll pass on that. Those are light. Arcus armor now. I want good shit. Come on, give me some good shit. Okay, this isn't the only chest. I believe there was more than one. Yeah, there's this one here too. I can't remember if I listed this one. No, did not. Air claws. Iron fire butterfly wing. Death bell. Pure poison recipe. 500 gold, nice. Let's see here. Put lightning pulse in. Ooh, pearl. Great pearl. Alright, let's see here. Ooh, no! Holy shit. Okay, I gotta put some of this stuff back in here that I do not want. So if I have too much on me, so I'm gonna steal from other chests that I found here. The reason why it's better to be an Orgonian and do this is because you swim much better and you can breathe underwater. If you're any other species, I've tried it. I just drowned. I died doing this. So have a water potion or something. No, I'm gonna just take the shield for insurance, if you all know what I mean. I just saw like something big down there swimming. Like, done. Hell, no thank you. I want to go, thank you very much, kind sir. The other last thing there was wine. Now I have less.
Suppose that's yours. Never should have come here.
Shit, I gotta go help my friend because I know he won't stand long against them. At least her. She's like the strongest member. Wow. Surprising what he did.
Welcome to the cozy little family. I'm on the lookout. Watch Delvin's back.
Ah! You got a problem here? Good, because I want some work.
Well, if it doesn't bring you all to I'm gonna make this short and sweet, because frankly, I don't think you deserve another shot. You've broken the rules, and now you need to...
How did I break the rules this time?
This is the thieves guild, genius. How do you think? With gold. A lot of gold.
She just...
Walking away without taking a drop? Like passing a bloated coin hunt. This is the thieves guild, genius. How do you think? With gold.
Yeah, I can totally skip.
Let's say it's true. Pickpockets, knocked over houses. You better. Anything you steal, you bring it straight to me. Just get out of here. Don't come back until your pockets are full.
Where did, no, that's not her. Where did the bitch hide? Oh, he's breaking up.
First, let's count the coin. Then we can get back to business.
Yeah.
Oh, phew. Congratulations. You're one of us again.
Good.
Next time you decide to pull a stunt like that, just remember how much it hurt to give this away.
Stop running away. Hey, like.
So, feeling loose? How about you run a job for me? So, feeling loose? How about you run a job for me? Where do you think you're going?
Nowhere. You keep on go. Alright, if you.
Ready for some more, or are you just gonna wander around all day? Need a few spare
Stop.
seconds? That's right.
I'm gonna go kill this person. Alright. My axe is a lot stronger than his.
Ready for some more, or I handle the burglary, shell, sweep, and heist jobs. Most of them involve breaking and entering. If you don't like that kind of work, talk to Delvin. He runs
Heath.
I know
Oh my god! I hope you guys can see the subtitles. Yeah? Okay, we're going to Windhelm. After I get out of here. Can't guys shovel here. Should look back way. It's a lot easier. This body's still here? Wow. TV. Moth. Are the guards? Holy shit, guys! Guards are after me here. It's a Christmas miracle. And if you stop me... I spoke too soon.
For the sons of Skyrim.
Ah, that hurt a lot. Listen, I'm just here to go shopping. Hey, this place is a lot better than I thought it was. Seriously. You just gotta find the right spot. Once you find the spot, you know where to look. Master locks are usually to the right, but sometimes it can be to the left. And like I said, hey, righty tighty lefty loosey. Okay, what am I supposed to steal, really?
You demanded a bit of privacy. Get out of here.
I know,
This is the last time I'll say it. Get out.
or what? Please. Okay, these lockboxes are tough as hell. Ain't much. I hate doing these ones. No, I thought it was moving. There we are. That was just random.
Get your... Never should have come here.
Sorry, sir, I didn't quite hear that. Oh, something dead. Loot the place. No. Yeah, just watch the door. I've never seen that one. Oh, kill the fucking guard, man. Just trying to make sure he's dead. Like, make sure he's dead. Let's see what you got. Let's see here. Map. Where am I supposed to go here? I'm supposed to go back to Richmond. Food. Okay. Oh. Let's go the back way here. I'm gonna have to get married again sometime. I'm not during this game. Sure, and guys, so you know, yeah, make the character's a lesbian. But who cares? Really, I don't. There's nothing wrong with being. Is there? Anyone ejects? No? Good. Oh, good, guys. I'm trying to find this one fucking. Oh no, I can't find it. I got back.
You've done it now, but you broke the rules, and now until you get back into the guild's grace and figure out
Okay.
I don't talk with guild traitors. Yes?
Oh, but you're.
Good afternoon. It's a shame you got booted from the guild. It was going so well.
How did I get kicked out? I got back in. Yeah, maniac. Good to be in the guild, guys. Trust me. When you get in trouble, you don't have to go to jail, or you don't have to pay the whole bounty. You can get your bounty taken off of you for like what? What's the cost? Anyways, I did nothing. Really.
Sorry. You have been very straight.
Well, if it isn't Brynjolf's
I'm gonna kill this person.
I'm gonna make this short and sweet, because frankly, I don't think you deserve another shot. You've broken the rules, and now you need to pay. And it's gonna cost you quite a bit. This is the... Did you think we'd accept a heartfelt...
Yeah?
I'd say it's time. Pickpockets? Knock over houses? You'd better. Anything you steal, get out of here. And don't come back until your pockets are full. I hope you brought a little something for me. It's all here. Well, congratulations. You're one of us again. Next time you decide to pull a stunt like that, just remember how much it hurt to give this away. Out with it. Time is money. You an assassin or a thief? Next time, keep your blade sheathed if you want to make any gold.
Welcome to the cozy little family.
Ready for some more? I bet you are. Which one do you want?
We'll try a sleep job.
One of the quickest ways to make some coin in Skyrim is to clear out some of the wealthier homes of their valuables. If you're interested, I could point out a good place that could use a little house cleaning.
Wink, wink.
What do you say?
I say fuck yeah.
Whatever. Just get it done. Here's the job.
If you're looking for extra work, talk to Vex or Delta. They'll fix you up.
Why is everything in Windhelm? Why? Alright guys, I'm gonna just say this in the video. While I'm getting out of here, I am actually started watching anime, believe it or not. And I've only actually watched one show. It's AO, Sword Art Online. I watched the first season, and I'm actually on the second season now, guys. Believe it or not. And does anyone know how any place that I can find Sword Art Online 2 episode 4 in a good, perfect way? Like, it works, it loads and all, because the site that I found it on, it does not load. In the first season, I watched it on Netflix. There's actually a lot of anime on Netflix, believe it or not. And then, yeah, I'm just trying to find that. So, anyone could help me out, please. I would be very, very, very grateful. Just message me, comment something. I'm gonna go do this job. Get back to the person.
I'm getting out of here.
Yeah, that'd probably be the best idea. Yeah, you better get out of here. If you get in my way, I will kill you. I'm gonna home, I guess. Who's this lead? Guy? I've never seen civilians outside the city. I can't wait until they start sending bandits on me to get their bounty. Bounty collectors. Oh, please. Well, they're hard to kill, but they're bruised. Ooh, nice work out. Hi, person. I'm just here just to...
Warning you. You can't take this. How could you do that? You can't take that.
Yeah, well, I did. Ow, that hurt. That's big. Fuck, I would love to have this house.
You won't get away with that.
And here's my question, who's gonna stab me?
Thieving little elf.
I'm an elf. I'm a wizard. Okay, come on, my friend. Schedule the Legend House of Doom. Yeah. Is it that noise? Don't worry about it. It's just someone messaging me on Hangout. Oh, cool. I can fast travel there. Alright. Yeah, that's why I like two-handed weapons. I mean, one-handed weapons. see. Where I know secret hidden chests are Riften, Skyrim, Solitude, Winterhold, and
Good to see you again, Brad.
one of the winter places. The city closest to the College of Winterhold. Woo! It's coming here. Not here. It's 11:50.
Back with good news, I trust. Here's your gold. Try not to spend it all in one place.
How much did I get? I got paid. Wow.
Good. You can
I
use the coin.
only paid $3.50 for that. Okay, which trade is
When a
Shield
client
Dog?
needs us to eliminate another, we don't operate like the Dark Brotherhood. We find alternate means to get them out of the way. We send you to plant some phony evidence in Mark's house and then tip off the town guard. The rest takes care of itself. Sound like you can handle it?
I would just kill the bastard.
Here you go. Hope you don't muck it up.
No, not rest, not fast. Alright, where do we gotta go for this map? No, I'm like, oh god, it froze. Oh, we gotta go to Solitude. Let's get on going, if you don't mind, consort. I had a lot of caffeine, but I'm tired. Make this. Hey, guess what, guys? It froze. Oh, guys, thanks for watching Frost Dragons, my channel, once again. Tomorrow, I will post showing you guys my Xbox One, showing it off, showing all the cool things. I will not have a Connect for it yet, unless if my dad buys me one, then I will owe him some money. More money than I do. I already owe him about $50. Donuts. So I will see you guys later, my friends. High five. Right. It's been high five. see you guys later. Stay cool, be yourselves.